Say hi. You're just laughing at mommy, huh? Show everyone your cuteness. Yeah? Whatever she said must have been funny. What? I'm listening, tell me. You gonna go bye-bye today with Grandma? You gonna go spend the night like a big girl? Yeah? Yeah? You like making videos with mommy? Huh? She doesn't want to say no. You like making videos with mommy? Yeah. You want to make another music video?
No.
Yeah? Yeah? Ah! Oh, you got that on video. No, don't. You're messing it up. Your daddy's mean.
She told you. She told you.
Oh, she tried to hit me. Okay, never mind. He's not mean. I'm sorry.
Uh-huh.
Hold her like this so fast.
I can be on the camera.
You're not. Just hold her waist. Daddy called me a nigga. Well, stop putting your fingers in your mouth. Hi, mommy. My little princess. Mommy's little princess. Mommy's little princess. Oh, sorry. Mommy's little princess. Mommy's little princess. Mommy's little princess. Mommy's little princess. My little princess. You're my little princess, huh? Did Daddy give you spanking? Kick his butt. Go. Go. No? She's like, no. Okay. Say hi. Say hi. Say, we're gonna make another video. Say, see you later.